Good morning, ladies, and happy Thursday. This is Ms. Martinez. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do our CGI story problem for the day. Here it is. Let's go ahead and read it. It says, each of the baseball teams in the City League has 23 players. If there are a total of 328 players in the league, how many baseball teams are there? So let's go ahead and do our cubes. Boom. So C, we're going to circle those important numbers. So I see that I have 23 and 328. Underline the question. My question is, how many baseball teams are there? So that's what my answer needs to be, blank teams. So I'm going to put that right here, blank teams. That should always be my answer now for this. How many baseball teams are there? Oh, there are blank teams. And then we're going to box in our important words. So each of the teams has 23 players. So each team has to have 23 players. There's a total of 328 players. So how many teams are there? So I want you to go ahead and evaluate and solve. I would like you to try two different ways, but if you can only come up with one way to do it, that is okay as well, because this is a little bit of a challenging one and it might be hard to find two completely different ways to solve it. So at least one way. If you can come up with another, that's great, but if not, that's okay too. All right, so go ahead and pause the video and solve it now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to show you one way to do this. It does take a little bit of time, but you get your answer in the end, okay? So stick with me here. Now, I need to think about what I know and what I don't know. I don't know how many teams I'm going to be able to create with my 328 players. But I do know that one team and every single team has 23 players on it. So if I start with 23 players, that gives me one team, right? That's one team. Now, if I add another 23 players, that's going to give me two teams. But I want to know how many people would there be then? How many players would there be if I had two teams of 23? So I need to add 23 and 23. Boop, over here. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. So now I know that two teams would give me 46 players. But I have 328 that I need to place into teams. So I need to keep going. So if I add another 23 players to make 3 teams, how many would that give me? Well, I need to do 46 plus 23. So I'll come over here. I've got plenty of space to do all my math. 46 plus 23. 6 plus 3. 9. 4 plus 2. 6. So now I have 69 players that are in 3 teams. But I still need to keep going. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 328 or as far as I can go. Okay? So I'm going to add another 23, which would make this 4 teams, 69 plus 23. 9 plus 3, 12. 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9. Make sure you are practicing your facts still so that you can hurry up and get better and quicker at those, okay, ladies? So now I have 92. I need to keep going. 92 plus 23 would give me 5 teams of, let's see. I'm just going to do it over here. 92 plus 23. 2 plus 3. 5. 9 plus 2. 11. So now I have 115 players. I'm going to add another 23 because I got to still keep going. That would give me 6 teams. And I would have how many players? 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. And 1 plus nothing, 1. Now I have 138 players on 6 teams. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to add another 23 because remember, I'm adding like another team. I'm going from 6 teams to 7 teams, which means I have to be adding 23 players because I know that there are 23 players for each team. Okay, so that's why I'm continuously adding 23 to what I already have. So I'm going to come over, 138 plus 23 8 plus 3. Carry the 1, 11. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6. And 1 plus nothing, 1. 161 players make up 7 teams. I need to keep going. I need 8 teams now, so plus 23. 161 plus 23. Let's do it. 1 plus 3, ladies. 4. 6 plus 2. 8. And 1 plus nothing, 1. So now I have 184. I need to still keep going. So I'm going to take my 184, I'm going to add another 23 still. That would give me 9 teams. So I need to do 184 plus 23. Four plus 3. 7. 8 plus 2. 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1. 2. So now I have 207. So now I'm getting closer, but I'm not quite there. And I'm going to keep doing this process, okay? So plus 23, because I'm going to give me 10. 207 plus 23. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus nothing, 2. 230 for 10 teams. Add another 23 to give me 11 teams. That would be 230 plus 23. 3 plus nothing is 3. Don't know what that is that I just wrote. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 2 plus nothing gives you 2. 253. 253 for 11 teams. Need to keep going. We're almost there though. Now I have 12 teams. 253 plus 12. 253 plus 23. I'm so sorry, ladies. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus nothing, 2. 276 for 12 teams. I gotta keep going. We're almost there, I promise, okay? If I add another 23 to make 13 teams, that's 276 plus 23. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. And 2 plus nothing, 2. 299. 299 players make up 13 teams. Let's go again. Plus 23 to give me 14 teams. So that'd be 299 plus 23. 9 plus 3. 12. Carry the 1 up. 9 plus 2 plus 1. Also another 12. And 2 plus 1. 3. 322. Now, I know over here it tells me I have 328 players, so can I add another 23? Can I add another team? I don't think so. Let's check. 322 plus 23 would give me 15 teams, and that'd be 5, 4, and 3. That'd be 345 players, which I don't have, so I cannot do that. I cannot go to 15 teams. This is as far as I can go, which means I have how many teams? 14. So my answer is 14 baseball teams. That's how many teams there will be if you have 328 players on this league and 23 players are for each team, okay? That was a really hard one. It was a long one. It was tricky, but you guys did excellent. Stay tuned and remember this, because this is going to be similar to what we're going to do next week, okay? You guys did excellent. Here it is in full, so you can check it out. Make sure you go and head over to Zern and Newsela, and that you've watched the other videos and all that good stuff, and then enjoy your long weekend, ladies. Happy holidays. Stay safe. I miss you all. Bye.